Hello all, Chet here from Chet's Adventures Beyond. Do it, you're on, you're up. You go for any of them. It's a different type of bowling here in Maine. Small bowling balls with no holes in them. There we go. Nice job. Nice.
Well, you got each side, now get the middle.
Better. Got some out of the back there, nice. One more, right?
Push the reset.
Nice. One more. Wow, nice. Might still do it. Two more.
2, 3,
Okay, great.
8.
Almost. Ah, I got one there.
The pins look like.
So
Alright.
the pins are there. When you knock them over, I'm going to show you how back, but they go on a table. They come back and spin around. The pins will come off one side, they come up this elevator, fill in the slots along the top. When it's full, it pushes them down like they're loaded, like they're ready to go on the rest of them.
Wow.
And
The
we also
balls
have on
come off to the other side. It's just a gravity feed down. Look.
So cool.
So the balls must get some momentum in order to make
Just gravity though,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
I'm going to show you how it works. This is a table that's going to be spinning around. The pins are going to come off this side. They're going to go up this elevator.
So the pins come up
The
right through
balls
here.
come off this side. They go up this elevator. It spits them out right up the top here. And then it's just a gravity feed down the way.
Wow.
So if you stand back here, I'll push the button and you can see how this is going to work. It's pretty ingenious, really.
Yeah, it is.
Wow, yeah. So you can do
All of them come to the back.
here.
Then out there it's good. Brings everything back. Those down and out. And then all these get down at the bottom. They're all going up on this piece here. As you can see. Wow. Gets put in line up there. That's so cool. And that goes for every single one of these. And then it gets lined up on the top. And then goes on down when everything goes down. Very, very fun. So those get lined up, put in, and then set on in.
You ready?
Yep. So this goes down, sweeps it away. Up and over and back over. And then setting in place and right up and out. And that is how cool that is.
Did you ever get stuck?
Oh yeah.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Ring or click that notification bell for more future video updates. And as always, have fun, stay safe wherever your adventures may take you. Enjoy.